Hello everyone. In this video, we will connect Google Sheets with Meta Ads. First, you need three things ready. A Google account with access to the Google Sheet where the data will go, a Meta Business account that manages your ads, and a Zapier account, which is the tool that will connect the two. Start by opening Zapier in your browser and logging in. Click the button to create a new Zap. A Zap is an automated workflow. For the Trigger app, search for Facebook ads. Depending on your Zapier plan, you may see Facebook lead ads or Facebook conversions. Choose the one that lets you connect to your ads account. Then select the trigger event. This can be new ad results, new leads, or any other data you want to capture. Next, choose the Action app. Search for Google Sheets and select it. For the action event, pick Create Spreadsheet Row. This means every time the trigger happens, Zapier will add a new row to your sheet. Connect your Google account and select the spreadsheet and specific sheet tab you prepared earlier. Map the data from Meta Ads to the correct columns in Google Sheets. This setup saves time, avoids manual work, and keeps your advertising reports up to date.